My scientific activity supports life detection investigations on other planets like Mars. We need to simulate what happens there in order to get hints of what we will find during in situ exploration missions and interpret correctly space missions data. My research is really an inspiring challenge because it provides the scientific tools to address some of the most fascinating questions of humankind, such as does life exist beyond Earth and how could we detect it? Answering these questions might completely change our view about human uniqueness and our position in the universe. At AGU, I'm going to present studies about the preparation, characterization, and UV irradiation of Mars soil analogs under Martian-like conditions. Specifically, I prepare Mars soil analogs by doping minerals that are relevant for Mars mineralogy with organic compounds that are considered plausible molecular traces of life. And the procedure consists in mixing the mineral powder with the aqueous solution of the biomarker and putting the suspension on a test tube rotator for a time sufficient to reach the equilibrium in order to get the maximum interaction between the molecules and the mineral. And after that, I dry in the oven in mild conditions to simulate the desiccation processes of liquid water bodies on Mars. And once I get the analogs, I characterize these samples with different techniques in order to assay their sensitivity for the detection of diagnostic features of molecular biomarkers. Some of these techniques are employed by spaceflight instruments, so these studies are important to develop suitable life detection methods and technologies. And I also performed UV irradiation experiments to simulate Martian conditions and to predict the mineral deposits and in general the conditions that are better for preservation of biomarkers, developing models for their degradation at geological timescales. I'm Teresa Fornaro, a postdoctoral fellow at the Geophysical Laboratory of the Carnegie Institution of Washington. And if you are interested in my research, please come to my talk at AGU on Friday morning.